We tested men's razors from Sick, Gillette, Bevel, Bic, and more to find the best products on the market. In this video we will look at some of the best razors for men on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description box below. Number 1. Gillette Heated Razor. Pamper yourself with a nice hot towel shave weekly, courtesy of Gillette's Heated Razor. It turns warm barbershop shave into an at-home hot towel shave with every stroke endeavor using chargeable, heatable cartridges that soften the hair while it shaves. Specifically, its stainless steel warming bar coupled with a flex 5-blade design allows for a more comfortable, closer shave. The waterproof razor comes with an adjustable heat feature to provide you with the perfect temperature. Plus you get a nifty rechargeable stand. The Heated Razor by Gillette Labs offers the soothing luxury of a hot towel shave with every stroke. Designed to quickly and evenly warm skin and maintain a soothing temperature throughout your shave, this razor helps turn a daily task into a welcoming experience. The warming bar heats up in less than a second and is designed with an adjustable temperature for you to easily choose between two levels of heat. 109 degrees Fahrenheit and 122 degrees Fahrenheit, to achieve optimal comfort. It has 4 intelligent heat sensors that allow the razor to maintain a safe and consistent warmth, while 5 blades ensure a comfortable, close shave. Flex disc technology contours to your facial features to ensure contact with the warming bar on each stroke. The razor is fully waterproof and designed with a premium grade aluminium zinc handle. It charges wirelessly on a magnetic stand, so it's ready when you are. Number 2. Gillette Men's Razor. For anyone hankering for a totally clean shaven look, celebrity barber Ray Santos' top choice is the Gillette Labs with Exfoliating Bar, a winner of our grooming awards nonetheless. It is an easy way to level up your grooming game because it combines 2 skincare steps, shaving and exfoliation, into one efficient stroke, says Santos. The built-in exfoliating bar removes dirt and oil from the skin prior to blades passing, leaving your skin feeling fresh and smooth. Plus, it has 5 blades and a biflex disc design, which will give you an accurate and close shave. Another benefit of this razor, according to Santos, is its flex disc technology that contours to the face to ensure the blades make direct and comfortable contact with every stroke. That's a must-have for me when selecting a razor, he says. Gillette Labs with Exfoliating Bar by Gillette is the world's first razor with exfoliating technology built into the handle, for a shave as quick and easy as washing your face. The innovative razor makes shaving fast and effortless by removing dirt and debris before the blades pass for a smooth shave that's quick and easy. 2D flex disc technology contours to your face to ensure comfort and contact with every stroke. Number 3. Gillette Fusion 5 Razor. Traditional razors can't get better than Gillette's Fusion 5, which packs feet after feet. According to celebrity hairstylist and master barber Cody Renegger, it's got blades that are flexible enough to maintain contact with your skin at all times, and a conditioning pad that helps the blades glide over the skin without lifting or creating cuts. In addition, the 5-blade plus stretchy microfins design ensures a close and smooth shave, while the precision trimmer brings about a cleanly sculpted shave. Gillette Fusion 5 Men's Razor Blade Refills feature 5 anti-friction blades for a shave you can barely feel, a precision trimmer for hard-to-reach places, and for styling facial hair, and blades that are spaced closely together for incredible comfort. The lubrication strip provides lubrication after the blades and fades when you are no longer getting an optimal shave. Concern your Gillette handle won't fit. All Fusion 5 blades fit all Gillette 5-blade razor handles. Also, each refill lasts up to a month of shaves, giving you the ability to customize your shave and get the most out of every blade. Number 4. Gillette Fusion ProGlide Razor. For just $20, you'll get Gillette's sharpest blades that are also anti-friction, smoother lubra strip, precision trimmer, and, most importantly, the flex ball tech with the handle that responds to contours even over the trickiest places. No wonder TV and media personality Antoine von Bouzier co-signs it. Not only do these razors deliver an exceptional level of smoothness and closeness to the shave, but they also incorporate advanced technology and multiple blades to minimize the risk of irritation, says Boozier. The Gillette ProGlide men's razor with FlexBall technology responds to your contours, giving you uncompromising closeness and comfort. The handle's FlexBall technology responds to contours, and the blade refill features 5 anti-friction blades for a shave you can barely feel. The blades are spaced closely together for incredible comfort, with a precision trimmer on the back for hard-to-reach places and for styling your facial hair just the way you want it. The enhanced Lubra strip has more lubricants for comfort and glide. This enhanced Lubra strip also fades when you are no longer getting an optimal shave. Soft microfins gently stretch and smooth your skin to prepare hairs for a close shave, while a micro comb helps guide your hair for a close shave from our thinnest blades. The ProGlide razor for men features our sharpest blades, which help get virtually every hair effortlessly. One razor blade refill lasts up to 1 month of shaves. All ProGlide blade refills can fit all Gillette 5-blade razor handles. Number 5. Bevel Safety Razor. Shavers unhappy with modern multi-blade cartridge designs should consider a double-edged safety razor. This style has a double-sided blade that screws into a metal head, allowing you to shave with just a single edge. The Bevel Safety is the model we'd recommend for most people interested in this design. The head geometry and blade sharpness are forgiving enough for inexperienced shavers, and the comfortable weighted handle provides enough control and precision for more advanced users. Like with any model of this kind, the standard blade that comes with the product can be switched out for other blades with different hardnesses or sharpnesses to suit your personal preference. The standard blade that comes with the Bevel provides a nice blend of shave quality and smooth glide with minimal irritation compared to most we have tried. For anyone considering transitioning away from a modern multi-blade cartridge, we recommend taking it slowly. These double-edged blades require a slightly different shaving technique than cartridge styles, and less experienced users could find it easier to cut themselves with this style of razor if they work too quickly or use too much pressure. However, the Bevel Safety's comfortably weighted handle helps to provide confident control, allowing our testers to avoid any such mistakes. The included blades are forgiving enough to give a smooth, close shave without much irritation or fear of nicks or cuts. While the handle is a little smoother than we'd like, the overall comfort and control are ideal for both beginner and experienced shavers.